Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a timeline chart as you see here. You see if I change this number, it automatically changes. Okay. Here you need the tasks. I just named the different tasks as task 1, task 2. You can have days. Here it shows the positive, it's above the horizontal line, and negative, it goes to the under horizontal line. It's just for simplicity, nothing more. Now I delete this one. Just select this data. Then from insert, click this one, more status chart, go to column, select this one. Okay, yes. Now just delete the title. Then you can delete this one. Also you can delete this. From here, select the bar. Then from format, shape fill, select no fill. Then from this plus sign, go to error bars, more options, select minus, no cap, select percentage, 100. Okay, select the table, then click this plus sign, go to data label, more options, go to here, label options, select value from cells, select this one. Okay, you see we have task 5. We can remove the number, just uncheck this value. You see we have task 5, task 7, and so on. Good, now it's good. Also, you can just select the horizontal line from format, shape outline, shape weight. For example, I selected 2.5. Shape outline, select the black color. From shape outline again, select the different type of line. For example, this one. Okay. If you want to remove the border, just select the chart, then format, shape outline, no outline. Good. Now I can change the number. For example, to 1. You see, this one minus 4. You see how it changes. That's all. If you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.